Hello everyone, welcome back to Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 11. If it give you a message couldn't connect, or if there is any similar issues where you are not able to use the Bluetooth services on your Windows 11 PC, then how you can fix it. I will also explain that if you don't see the Bluetooth icon or device or the device in the device manager or in the action center, then how you can bring that back. Alright, so make sure you watch the video till the end, do not skip any part. The first thing that you need to assure that your Bluetooth has been enabled. So click on the search icon and type Bluetooth, and from the suggestion choose Bluetooth and other device settings. So once Bluetooth is up, you just need to assure that the Bluetooth has been enabled from here. So right now you can see it's been turned off, and if I try a lot to use Bluetooth or its services, it won't be working because Bluetooth has been disabled from here. So the first thing you have to do, you just need to enable it, and after that you can start connecting to any other device or receive a file from any other device. You can check, and still if this doesn't work for you, just close it and just click on the action center here, and it will bring up the action center. And many people have the issue that they are not seeing Bluetooth icon here. Now most of the time whenever we want to disable or connect the Wi-Fi, the airplane mode or the hotspot, we can easily do it from here, but you see that the Bluetooth has been disappeared from here. So you can easily bring that back. Just need to click on the pen icon and then click on add and then click on Bluetooth. Then click on done and you will see that the Bluetooth is back. Alright, from now here you can just easily enable or disable the Bluetooth services. Alright, and still if it doesn't work, if still you have a problem and connecting problem, then you also need to try enabling and disabling the airplane mode. What you have to do, just need to click on it, and once done, just simply wait for 10 to 20 seconds and then disable it back. Once done, just check back that if this fix the problem, and still if you have the issues, then you need to restart the Bluetooth services. So what you have to do, click on the search icon of the Windows 11 and type services. From the suggestion choose services app, click on it. Now here you have to look for the Bluetooth services. So scroll down a bit and you will find 3 Bluetooth services: Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support and Bluetooth user support service. So what you have to do, first you need to assure that these services are running. I can see that they all are running. So you need to assure that, and if they all are running, then you need to restart it. So make a, I'll go with the first one, make a double click on it, then click on stop, and once it's stopped, then you need to click on start again. Okay, same you have to do for the second one. Click on stop, then click on start, and make sure the startup type has been set to automatic. Then click on OK. So the same you have to do for all the Bluetooth services that you see in your services box. Once done, just close it. And now we also need to run a Bluetooth troubleshooter that will help us to know that what exactly the problem is. So make a right click on the Windows icon and choose settings. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Just click on it, then click on other troubleshooters. Now here scroll down again and you will find Bluetooth. Just click on run, that is on the very right of it, and this will start detecting the problem, and whatever the problem will be, it will show us in the box and also show us the suggestion that how we need to fix it. Alright, so we have to wait until it's been completed. Okay, now you can see it says the troubleshooting has completed. Check Bluetooth radio status and it says fixed. So probably it has automatically fixed the problem. So what you can do, just close it. Now restart your PC, and after that try connecting with the Bluetooth, try using Bluetooth, and I'm very sure that the problem will be fixed. Still if you have the issue, then we have to update the Bluetooth driver. So just close everything, make a right click on the Windows icon again and choose device manager. Now here in the device manager, you will see the Bluetooth icon. Just make a double click on it. And then on the first option that says Bluetooth device, just make a right click on it and choose update driver. Then you have to click on search automatically for drivers. And as soon as you click on it, if there is any update, it will automatically get updated. But if not, then it will say the best driver for your device are already installed. No worries, just click on close. Next thing what you can do, you just need to make a right click on it and choose uninstall device. Once you click on uninstall device, it will ask you for the permission. Click on yes. And once uninstall, you have to go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And this will be back again. Now again you have to restart and check that if the problem has been fixed. Now many people have issues that they don't see the Bluetooth icon here, the Bluetooth device icon here. So what they can do, they can click on view and choose show hidden devices. Okay, if it's been hidden, it will bring that back. And if they don't see the Bluetooth icon, then what they can do, they can click on action, then click scan for hardware changes again. And still if it doesn't work, then click on add legacy hardware, then hit on next, and then click on install the hardware that I manually select from a list, then click on next. And then look for network adapters. You have to choose network adapter here. Here, this one, just make a double click on it. And then you have to just click anywhere, like you have to look for the Bluetooth. So like in the Broadcom, you can look for the Bluetooth if it show up. If not, then you have to click on Intel and then look here for the Bluetooth. Then you can come to Intel Corporation. Okay, this is how you have to look for the Bluetooth. I see only wireless right now. Okay, and then you can come to Realtek. Look in the Realtek as well. In the Microsoft Corporation, then the Microsoft. So this is how you need to look for on all of the manufacturer here, and then on the model, you have to select the Bluetooth. Once you click on the Bluetooth, then hit on next, and then it will be showing you here in the device manager. Why it's not showing me in the list? Because I have already the Bluetooth installed. It's already showing in the device manager. All right. And still, if you are not able to use it, or you are not able to see the Bluetooth icon on your desktop or anywhere in the shortcut, then what you have to do, open your file explorer, then click on your C drive, and then click on Windows, then click on System 32. This is the path. You can just check here, and here we have to look for a file that is fsquirt.exe, and that is for the Bluetooth. So it's a huge file, so instead of searching, we can search from here. On the right hand top, you will see search System 32. Just type fsquirt this, then click and hit on enter, and you will see that this file is coming up here. That is for the Bluetooth. So what you have to do, you just need to make a right click on it and choose copy as path. Once done, minimize it, come on your desktop, make a right click on the desktop, hover up to new, choose shortcut, and here in the path, just paste that you just copied of the fsquirt and then click on next. Now if you want to rename it, you can rename like Bluetooth and then hit on finish. So you will see the Bluetooth icon is back here, and now you can easily enjoy your Bluetooth. And if I click on it, you can see send file, receive file, both the option is working absolutely perfect. So this is how hopefully this will help you guys, and if yes, make sure you hit the like button, and still if you have any problem, let me know. Brief your problem in the comment section and I will try to help you back. That's all. Please hit the like button guys and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.